Hey guys, Nick here, and in this video we're going to talk with one of my students who just completed his first deal. He's going to share some of his experience. We're going to talk about the two big obstacles that you have to overcome in the overage business. Take 3 or 4 minutes, check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Yes.
you know
Yeah,
so
that's definitely there's two big obstacles to overcome in this business. One is getting them to trust you, which you already talked about.
Mhm.
And the other is finding them. Locating them.
yeah, I've always been one. I love chasing the person down, and just this is kind of like what gets me going.
Yeah.
So I think that we're a good fit to work together, but I kind of wanted to see if maybe you could give me the magic recipe, so that I can just do a couple of 3 or 4 things and stick to those 3 or 4 things, and have a higher level of success.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I could give you some pointers for sure.
Mhm.
Yeah, before we dive into that,
Sure.
so this was your first case, right?
Very first.
Very first one. That's
Yes, sir.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, not bad. I mean, I think you doubled your investment from the program.
Yeah, I got my money back just like you promised.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's good. And then I know we got him what it was like 20 grand, right? Or something like that. So good deal for
I still
him.
I still have the check. He hasn't even picked it up yet.
What? Oh, he hasn't picked it up yet?
Yeah, he works for the prison, and
Oh,
he's off today. So I have to keep calling him, say, hey man, when are you gonna come by and pick up a check? Oh, he goes, I'm really busy. He goes, I'll call you in about an hour, and then I won't hear from him.
my goodness. Well, I
Yeah,
guess he must not be hurting for the money.
it's free money, man.
Oh my goodness. Well, I get working at the prison though. That's you know,
It's a crazy job.
schedule sucks, so
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
man, that's crazy. Yeah, let me know when he picks it up. That way
Mhm.
take a picture with him.
Yeah, I will. I will. I think that's a good idea, and that way, that's kind of more of a testimonial, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, anytime you help someone get a result, it's good to either if they leave a testimonial or a picture or something, anything that just shows proof, right, that it's real. And then down the road when you do have someone that's skeptical again, they're like, ah, this a lot of times they won't say they think it's a scam, but they're thinking it. They're
Oh yeah.
absolutely.
Oh yeah.
So if you can address that right off the bat with a story or something like that, that helps. That goes a long way. So
For sure.
that's awesome though, man. It's yeah, it was awesome to work with you on your first case. So
Mhm.
hopefully that's the first of many more.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I mean, it's good. And my wife, when I told my wife, she goes, "What?" You know, she knows how I am. I'm always trying to reinvent the wheel.
Yeah. Well, now the thing is now that you've done it once, now you can do it again. So
Duplicate it. Yep.
that's awesome, man. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little story and you're probably wondering, did the claimant ever pick up his check? And the answer is yes. Yes, he did. Here's a picture of Jose and the client meeting up and getting the check delivered. Love the smiling faces. So if you're wondering, oh, well, did he ever pick up his check? Yes. Yes, he did. And then just to show you too, here's another quick picture for you guys. Here's a copy of the two checks. So you've got the top check that was Jose's cut. Not bad, not bad for investing 2K into the program and getting four back. So, doubled his investment. And then you had the clients there at the bottom, about the 20K that we mentioned in the video. And yeah, it felt good to get this one done. Obviously, I connect with the client because of our shared background in the corrections world and working at the prison. So not the same prison, but we both worked in the prison system and I know how that goes. So I know that this 20K was definitely a big blessing for him. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that. If you have questions, let me know. If you want to get started with surplus funds, check out the free trading at overagesyndicate.com and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.